All right, so this is my day one Wiccan deck. So right here on the first turn, I'm just gonna use up all my energy by playing Quicksilver. So you see, because that's what's gonna power up Wiccan. Wiccan, if you use all of your energy in the game, gives you extra energy max, two extra. So on first turn, I do Quicksilver right here on Carmitage. I only played him there just because I know what the description is. No real reason. Christmas Cosmos. I'm gonna leave that alone. I'm not even gonna play that. I'll probably try. I'll try playing something later. But do I use Zabu on Carmitage for real because that's gonna double up his effect, his unreveal effect. And now I have to pay less for Wiccan and Crossbones. So I'm gonna do Wiccan right here on Maze because hopefully you could get moved to Christmas Cosmos and get powered up. Let's see how that works out. All right, so we moved it to Carmitage. Okay, that's cool. No biggie. Now I got 6 energy. And I'm on turn 4. So what to play? I like using Thena because now that I have max energy, I can energy augmented. I can actually use her, power her up well. So I'll play her first, and then I'll just skip the rest. I'll wait till my max energy is full with other cards. Now I'm controlling just one land, one territory, and I got a Scar. Scar is a high power card, so I'll play that one. I'll play Psylocke. That's gonna power up my Thena. He plays his White Tiger, and he thinks he's controlling lands, and he is, but it doesn't matter. I have a lot of energy and a lot of high power cards, thanks to Wiccan. And I got 9 max energy. I could technically play all 3 of these cards, but because of Crimson Cosmos, I can't. So I'll just play these 2. Excuse me. And yeah, that's it. That's the final turn. You know, he's gonna think he's cutting it close. Might power up out Maze for the win, but he didn't. And now he's way lost. He plays Wolfsbane double on reveal. Good strategy, decent strategy, but I'm counting on my Thena. And that's a victory.